Saturday. We are en route to Khloe's private lesson. She is going to conquer this tuck. Right, Khloe? I'm about to get over. Khloe is in the process of conquering this tuck, y'all. This back tuck. I need her to get it so that we can stop paying for these monthly classes. But yeah, y'all, I hadn't picked up the camera since last Saturday, DeAndre's first open practice. I haven't done anything to vlog this week, but I felt like today was the perfect day to just pick up the camera. Khloe has to go. All right, y'all, let's go. And y'all see, look, all that I did and I said about, let me turn this AC down. All that I said and did about my prescription glasses in the last vlog, this is what I ended up going with. I did not get the black or the clear glasses that I got from TikTok shop. I still am planning to get the clear and the black done because I need some stylish frames as well. When you only have to pay $25 versus $65, $25. Right now, everything has to be cost efficient. We have to be smart with the decisions we make with our money. So anyway, let me get on in here because I have to see this girl's progress. I'm going to let y'all see too. Very good. All right. Ooh, today just made me feel like I really wanted you to take the month of May off because of finances with this cheer stuff that we have to pay, but I feel like it'll prolong your tuck. You accomplishing this tuck.
I need to have my tuck by August.
I know that, but I want you to have it by June because don't look at me like that. You're not paying for this. It's a lot of money being paid, but I want you to get it. And I want you to have it before August too. But I really want you to have it before June so we don't have to pay another month of privates. But anyway, y'all, she did do good. She is working. She's getting there closer and closer to having her tuck without being on the mats. So, I'm just ready. I'm just ready for her to get it. So y'all see I took my twist out? I can actually do a ponytail now. I have a little hang time. I have a scrunchie around it right now. But anyway, y'all, we're done. We're headed to the grocery store. Y'all, we'll call y'all back later.
Later that same evening.
I like the way you comb your hair, and I like the stylish clothes you wear.
I'm cooking D-Hard some pinto beans. And Tiki is frying some chicken.
Girl, I want to know your name. When I met you, I just knew that you would take my heart and run.
I'm talking about dark blue, purple, gold.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, you trust it. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated. You win. Join the for empathy and blood in my pen. Better yet, your friends and them. I really wanna show you all. I really wanna show you all.
Happy Friday. I am at the car wash if y'all hearing all that. I just got off work, y'all. And tonight is Khloe's 8th grade prom. Well, I call it 8th grade formal dance. So I had to come and get the car washed just on the outside. Turn it back around. So I had to get the car washed just on the outside. So we're not pulling up and dropping this girl off in a dirty car. But y'all, it's been a minute since I talked to y'all. How y'all doing? I know it's loud, so let me come back when I leave up out of here. I really should have not been lazy, and I should have gone to the car wash that does the inside as well as the outside, because y'all, I'm not finna do all this vacuuming and all that stuff. I'm not saying I won't do it, because I will, but I just don't feel like doing all that. And I should have had a towel, a shimmy, or something to dry the car off. I gotta pull into an empty parking spot in this shopping strip and fix this mirror, because the mirror has turned outward. But with the way the sun is shining bright, it should just go on and dry this car off without me wiping it, people, or something else. Lord. And I got somebody behind me. Let me pull off to the side, fix this mirror before I get on the main street. But anyway, let me go back to what I was telling y'all. Today is Khloe's 8th grade formal dance that she insists on calling a prom. Well, I know she's not insisting on it. That's what the people call it. So I was supposed to vlog last night, show y'all her hair. Her hair was a joint effort between the two of us. I did the back. Well, actually, I shampooed, blow dried, braided the back down, because she has a quick weave. She wanted a up down, where she has the back down with the ponytail. She has curly hair. She did her own lashes. She did her own nails. This is a video of her nails. When I say she is getting better with each set of Gel-X nails that she does, I'm just so grateful, because I stopped going to the nail shop. So now she will do my nails, Gel-X. That's Gel-X nails. But baby, when I tell you she make those Gel-X nails look like acrylic nails, baby. If you watch my vlog, you saw she did my birthday nails. I mean, she's getting good. So anyway, I'm doing her makeup, which she just want a light, natural beat, but she didn't want to do it herself, so I'm doing it. So y'all will see all of that. I'm going to show y'all. Well, I'm going to bring y'all with me when I drop her off. It's hard because I can't be showing people's kids. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to try and get what I can. But anyway, and that's just a quick update for now. Let me fix this mirror so I can leave. I'll call y'all back later.
But I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real.